best.
fucking crazy.
No, this is the best.
I came here.
Okay, so this is my friend from Africa, my friend from Japan,
Yeah.
but he live in Canada. And I just brought out,
We both live in Canada.
they both live in Canada. I brought out some oxtail. When I buy oxtail, I buy the authentic oxtail from the butcher.
Yeah.
And I just got it. So he just tried a piece. So what you think?
I'm in heaven.
You hear that?
I've never
I'm
eaten.
in fucking heaven. This is the best fucking
Oxtail.
oxtail in the goddamn world.
Damn, look, you see that, people?
I know it.
Yeah, he live in Canada, in Toronto, so he get it all.
I know. I
How's
know.
it
I know
too?
Jamaican food.
And
I don't need a phone,
he's
no.
from Africa. He's a doctor. And this is the oxtail I serve them. Look at that.
That's the Oxtail. And the plantain, don't forget the plantain.
That's the oxtail. That's the whole spine of the cow I bought. And he bought an order of plantain. Okay?
Yeah, and then plantain to it with it, you know?
So, look, hey brother, come over here.
This is so good.
Come over here. Come over here. He's digging into that oxtail. That reaction was amazing for that oxtail.
This is the best oxtail in the world.
The best fucking oxtail in the goddamn world.
In the world, buddy. I'm not joking. And I've had a lot of oxtails in my
See
life.
that?
This is not the first time I've eaten oxtail.
And he's a doctor. He live in Canada, and my buddy there is from Toronto also, and he also live in Canada. And
Wow, thank you.
and he let him taste a piece of the oxtail.
Wow, that is amazing. I've eaten oxtail. You know, there are Jamaican restaurants in Canada. Many Jamaican. You know, in Toronto, right? There are many Jamaican restaurants.
Which one? Which one is it?
And I love oxtail,
Real,
but it's a little
oxtail is my best.
pricey,
You know what? I
right?
eat oxtail maybe once a week. I buy an oxtail once a week.
Because it's so expensive.
There's no oxtail like this.
No, not like this one.
Never ever in my life. I've eaten oxtail from Calgary, fucking everywhere.
You hear that, folks? All right.
From Calgary, I've eaten oxtail. I used to live in Calgary.
Okay, so this is real talk. I mean,
This is the real stuff. And I've been to Jamaica. I've been to Ocho and Kingston, Jamaica, and I've eaten oxtail in Kingston, Jamaica.
see
And
that?
this oxtail is better than the oxtail I had in Kingston, Jamaica.
You hear that?
The more than
So
that.
they're saying it, not me. Look, he got
I'm
another,
not lying.
he got another piece.
I know oxtail, but this is the best fucking oxtail in the world.
Wow, thank you.
Not
Okay,
even in Jamaica, man.
not even in Jamaica.
Not
Yeah, he
even
said-
from the
No.
motherland.
He said, not even Jamaica, you get that. So, all
Because I've
praises,
been to Jamaica.
I must say, all praises due to the
Wow.
Most High. I have to get them talking because
How do you do this?
how did I do it? Original. I am ancient Jamaican.
Wow. But you know what?
I am the Bob Marley of Jamaican food.
When we're going back,
I am the Bob Marley of Jamaican food.
Bob Marley of Jamaica.
Yes,
Okay.
that's me.
That's you.
So I was born for this. A
And
lot
your
of
name
people,
is Mosha.
Mosha, yes.
Okay, Mosha.
Yes, my brother.
I'm going back on Tuesday. I need a sauce. I need a jerk sauce.
Oh, you want me to make you some jerk sauce?
Yeah,
Real sauce.
for my oxtail.
Okay, I'll do that for
I
you.
want to try and make it like this. I know it's not going to
You,
be like that.
you want to try to make it like me?
Yeah.
I don't. It's gonna be tough, but I'll help you. Look, he's too busy trying. He's too busy digging in. He don't have no time for that. So guys, listen to this, guys. I have to say this again. My epilogue is, I am the first Jamaican in this island, the first Jamaican restaurant. Okay, I came here and I didn't speak the
Mosha,
language.
This oxtail is out of this world, buddy.
You hear that, guys?
It's out of this
Well,
world.
what can I say? Speak for itself. I can't say no more. Look at my boy over there. He go over there. This girl come to bother him. Come over here. He just come up.
Go for it.
He just come. Look at him over there digging it. He can't even. He enjoying that, and he's real. Look. He can't even stop with that. Look at that. Anyway, guys, Mosha, come try the food for yourself. You just might like it. One love. Peace out. Mosha's Regular Lounge, new location. Boom Shack.